Ladies and gentlemen, if you saw my latest video where I showed you Space ID launch on Binance Launchpad, you are now probably up around 40x, okay? Now, we have another project, a new project launching on Binance Launchpad, which is Open Campus. And the subscription period is in 3 days, okay? So very likely this is a project that you don't want to miss out, especially that everyone have Binance account, okay? If you are interested. And if you don't have it, under this video you have a link to Binance and you can register using my link. You get a bonus, okay? So if you don't have any Binance account, do it, because Binance is the biggest, the safest crypto exchange in the world, okay? The safest centralized exchange. Once again, if you saw my latest video, okay, on Binance Launchpad, I showed you Space ID. Now if you go into allocation, you are up around 30 to 40x. Now look at the launch, okay? There is something very important about Binance Launchpad that is not common for other launchpads. This is the thing that these projects actually do well on the long term. And look, Hooked Protocol, that was a project launched before Space ID, and that was the initial dump, of course, like we have in crypto. The token went down, but look, even if you bought, but let's say you bought here and then you were up around 20%. So you can see that this actually makes sense even after the launch. Remember that Binance have to check these projects before they put it on the launchpad, okay? Of course, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, Dior, okay? Like I said, a new project on Binance Launchpad is Open Campus, Web3 education protocol, tokenized education for content, first adopted by Tiny Tap. Okay, look, tokenized educational content. We can say educate to earn, something like this. But still, there are these trends, something to earn. Okay, move to earn, play to earn. And now look, this is in the type of subscription. Okay, so you need to come here, and once there is a subscription period, then you come here, you click. You want to take part in the launchpad. And now look, one EDU token is going to be 0.055 cents. There is 50 million tokens offered, and one single initial investment is 0.1 BNB. Look at the hard cap is 300k EDU tokens. Subscription timeline, okay? BNB holding calculation period. And look, only BNB in your spot wallet can be used during the subscription period. Minimum amount is 0.1 BNB. So if you have more than 0.1 BNB, you will be eligible to take part in that. Get your BNB ready to participate. And look, then after 3 days, on 28th April at 7 UTC, the subscription period is gonna start, okay? Then there's gonna be some calculation period after 3 hours, and then final token distribution is 11 AM, and this is gonna be followed by a launch of the token. This is how it usually is on the Binance Launchpad. So remember, if you are watching this before 28th, there is still preparation period. Now about Open Campus, okay? This is a new protocol allowing communities to create, own, and promote content they want to see in the world. So basically, educate to earn in the simplest possible way. Now communities can utilize blockchain technology to fund and co-own the educational content. Now look, this is actually interesting. So creators launch their content on the protocol by offering promotional rights during publisher NFTs. So the content will be backed by NFTs, and then the publishers earn revenue based on that. So imagine, at least where I see the utilities, imagine there are courses, and then courses might be backed by NFTs. And this is a huge market. The educational market is huge. You can still see now a bunch of big YouTubers promoting their courses, and this is a big business. And now what I think is not only this gonna be crypto connected, but also AI connected, in my opinion, because the courses for AI are gonna blow up, in my opinion, very soon. Now look, philanthropists can support educational courses directly and track their donation on-chain through smart donations, basically donations on the smart chain. And look, there was already 12 sold over 200 Ethereum in 2022. They have the largest school network in the MENA region with 130k students. You can also build a campus. Now look, the partners, Softbox, huge partners. Of course, Binance is launching them. Hooked Protocol also. On Discord, they have 71,000 members. Twitter, 94,000 followers. I'm not surprised, okay? This is on Binance Launchpad. Everyone's so hyped, so the marketing is done properly. I have no doubts about it. I'm leaving you also a link to white paper. Check this out and check all the social medias. Now look, altcoin season is not really here, okay? We have actually totally Bitcoin season, okay? Now this is, to be honest, like the biggest Bitcoin season since a year. So it might also affect the Launchpad, but still, remember, This is Binance backed. So far they haven't let us down. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.